Hi, this is Alex Kim with Texas Pro Signs. Today we're here in Dallas, Texas to install a pole sign for our client. Here's the pole we're going to be installing today. We have a pier drilling company coming out to drill a 36-inch wide by 14 feet deep hole. We're going to install the pipe inside, and it'll be sticking out of the ground 17 feet. Now that we have the hole drilled, we're going to prepare the pole. We're going to cut 2 holes on the side of the pipes so that we can install shackles, and then use the pickup straps to lift the pole and set it in the ground. Now that we have the pipe set in the ground, we level it and stabilize it with angle irons, and we weld it so it's ready for the concrete to come and pour. So here we are for the final phase of the installation. We have a 10 by 16 pole sign. We're going to stand it upright and place it in the existing pipe. We'll finish it off with welding and then painting the poles for a complete sign. So we are finished with the pole sign installation. We have it welded off, a fresh coat of paint on it. And this concludes the video. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.